Whenever I'm in my office and not too busy, I ask my PA to put through any cold sales calls to me. I like to hear how they approach cold calling, and most of them are dreadful, and from the moment they start to speak. A frequent opening which really irritates me goes like this. "Hi Bruce," or "Good morning Bruce, how are you today?" That really irritates me. First of all, I expect some respect, and I don't like it when a total stranger calling on business matters calls me by my first name without asking permission to do so. It may be old-fashioned, but a lot of business people feel the same way as I do. And as for "how are you today," it's insincere. Why would a total stranger be inquiring about my health? Do they really care? No, they do not. The only stranger who has the right to ask me that question would be a doctor. Here's another way not to start a cold call. "Mr. King, I'm sorry to bother you, but..." And I've switched off before they get to tell me what the but was that they were going to bother me with. The moment you say "I'm sorry to bother you" or "sorry to interrupt you," it automatically connects in the other person's mind with other times they've been bothered or interrupted, and it puts them in a negative mindset. And here's the worst. "Good morning, Bruce. This is John from the XYZ company, and this is not a sales call." That's a bloody lie. Of course it's a sales call. I hate liars, and I bet you do too. So avoid all of those opening statements like the plague. There are much, much better ways to start a conversation, as you'll see in some of the following videos.